Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm just going to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails. So first, what I'm going to go to is howto. And now I just press the little camera icon in the middle, and I think I'm choosing from my photo albums. So basically right here, I'm just choosing like any photo that I can use to make into a thumbnail. Let's see. So I'm going to use this photo. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add text. And if you guys haven't watched this video was about 50 video ideas that can help you guys. So make sure you go and watch that video. Okay, right here I'm just changing the font because I didn't like the font that I used. And now I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm trying to make it stand out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the text in white, and then I'm going to press stroke, and I'm going to make it black on the outline. And that's what makes your letters stand out, is when you use stroke on the your letters and stuff. So now I'm just going to write YouTube video ideas. I'm going to put it right under 50. Just like that. Okay, so right here I'm just trying to find like the plus sign, because it's not only 50 but it's more than 50 video ideas. So I found the plus sign, and I'm going to put it right next to 50, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now I'm going to go to PixArt. And I'm going to press the little plus sign in the middle. And now I'm going to go to my photo that I saved. And then I'm going to find like different icons that I can use. Specifically like a YouTube icon. Also, okay, right here I'm just trying to blur the background so it can focus more on my face. So to get the blur effect, first you press the FX effect, and then after you press that, you press the blur. And when you press the blur, you're going to press the little erase icon at the top. And then when you press that, you're going to see the little person in the middle at the bottom, and you press it. And then what that does is it focuses on your face and it blurs the background. So right here it kind of blurred the numbers too, so I did have to go back and erase it a little bit, but you know, it still came out great. So right here, I'm just using the little YouTube icon, and then I'm trying to get it to where I want it to be. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to use the camera, and I'm going to put it right next to it. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it into my photos. Press done. And then I'm going to go into my gallery and make sure that it's saved. And yep, it's saved just right there. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.
Just want attention, you just want attention, you just want attention, you just want attention, you just